another question on the board. It says, thank you, Kabbalah Rab. Could Kabbalah Rab please teach us about dyeing and making coffee on Shabbos?
Dyeing, or the dyeing may mean to change the color?
Yes, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, that's a very good question. So dyeing is one of the melachas that not allowed on Shabbos, and if I remember correctly, we're not allowed to wound ourselves, right? Why? Because the blood is going to change the color or whatever. If you put like I don't know, like a piece of napkin or something, like a paper towel to you cut yourself, so it's going to like dye this this object, which is not allowed. So and it was Melachah in the desert, right, in the Mishkan, that we did. The dyes, what does it mean dye? Dye meaning they would cut the wool from all of the sheep, right? It was like, well, one sheep is white, one sheep is black, one sheep is brown, one sheep has a spots. So of course the wool was not universal. So they dyed first to make white, like a universal white, and then they would dye into different colors, different red or other colors, whatever they did. Okay. So that's Melachah of dyeing. And our sages say that it does not apply to foods in general, right? So it does not apply to food in general, but there are some exception. An exception is fancy schmancy people, right? They have they call it center dish, right? Some like in the center of the table. And sometimes they put like water, right? Water, like it's one dish inside of another dish, like a flowers around, and they put the like water and then make the water blue. So with all of the candles, so it actually looks very, very, very nice. But since if you did it, if you color the water before Shabbos, there is no problem. But on Shabbos, it's absolutely not. It's not allowed. You understand? Because it's not for the food purposes. So that's why it's not allowed. But all other all other coloring, there is no problem. Even though it is true that some poskim say that coloring applies to foods. It is true, and that's why they say, for example, if you want to go according to all of the opinions, that's actually it's a very, very good question. You want to go according to all of the opinions when you're making coffee. So the question was about coffee, right? So you like in some sense we're talking about this instant coffee, right? So in some sense you put this dye, this powder, and that's exactly how you make paints, right? So you put the dyes, right? You put the powder from extract from your plants, and you put water and you cook it, and that's it. You got yourself paint. That's the procedure, right? So our sages say, so if you want to go according to all of the opinions and not to dye water, meaning coffee, right? So what you do first, you pour water, and then you add coffee, right? So because it's opposite, it's not directly as you do dyes, like it's with what is the word I'm looking for? I forgot. Whatever. It's like not the straightforward way, right? So the straightforward way would be like you put the powder on the bottom of container, and you put the pour water as much as you need, because you have to control the water, right? And the amount of the water they pour, and you mix, and then you get yourself paint, and then you cook it, and that's how you make dye. But usually people don't put water and then put the powder. Nobody do that, right? So that's why if you want to go to according to all of the opinions when you're making coffee, it's going to be in a third vessel. Third meaning from the kettle, right? From the urn, whatever. It's where the water boiled. Second is a cup, right? and in the second cup. So you first put water, and then you add your instant coffee. That's how you do according to all of the pins. Is it necessary? No, but if you want to, no problem. So like some people want because they want to like extra merit. Okay, there is no problem. Yes, that's how you do coffee. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. Very good questions. Very good question.
There's another question our friend just put on the board.
Mm-hmm.
Could we avoid the process by using instant coffee in regards to this question?
No, but the problem was with the coloring. So if, instant coffee colors the water, so it's exactly the same. Right. So other coffee is not allowed. We're not allowed to cook this one. The beans. Right. Instant coffee. When we're allowed to make instant coffee on Shabbos. Why? Because these beans were cooked already, completely cooked. You understand? But when you take the raw beans, right? Even though they fry them, but they still raw. I mean, they fry it on top, but they still raw on top, and that's I mean, inside they're raw, so that's a big issue. So you're cooking the beans. Doesn't matter. You're cooking potatoes or you're cooking coffee beans. What is the difference? Then they are inedible in the current state. Okay, so that's the thing.